How to clear group chat in WhatsApp. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your WhatsApp application and it will lead you to chat section, right? Where you can see all your conversation. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to choose the group chat that you want to clear. So let's say this group chat here. Then what you want to do next is on the upper part, you will see the group chat's name. So tap on that and scroll down. Scroll all the way down up until you see clear chat here. So you will be clearing all the messages here. So this chat will be empty but will remain in your chat list. So clear all messages here. And then since you're the admin, you have to make sure that you're the admin. So to be able to clear the group chat and of course delete the group chat, then tap on remove from group, remove, and then tap on make sure that you have removed everyone from the group, and of course you exit the group. And basically that's it. That is how you clear group chat in WhatsApp, and as you can see, you're no longer a participant to this group. And basically that is it. Now, to clear or to erase, so let's just tap on this. You will see no one is already here and there's no conversation left. And then of course you have to delete the group here, and basically, that's it. That is how you clear group chat in WhatsApp. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.